Kiss excellence. Thank you. And nobody can hang with my stuff. Just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, I'm Jesse. So what's going on, everybody? So I'm on my way to go get some new tires because these things are bald as hell. But we're gonna kill the rest of these tires on the way. But they close in 30 minutes, so let's hurry up and get there. Cold start. We out here, Deals on Wheels, getting some rubber. Shout out Deals on Wheels, they always coming through. They closed 10 minutes, but they're still throwing some tires on for me. I appreciate it. Make sure y'all check them out if you're in the area. These are the old ones.
How you roll?
Yeah, those other ones were done. Those ones are bald, huh? These ones. Hit up Juan or hit up Jaime if you guys need any tires, shocks, suspension work done, all that stuff. They'll take care of it for you. Tell them I sent you, so they'll give you a little extra discount. I need some rotors bad. Real bad. The fronts are even worse. Looking like chrome. I knocked it down today in state, bro. Just got the tires on the way back to the house. They didn't have any Federals because the coronavirus has them on back order. No tires are getting shipped from China. So I got some Delantes on right now. They're like my second favorite tire. I like to run. Federals is the first. But yeah, got some new tires. So watch out for part 3 of the driving tutorial. I'm gonna teach y'all how to exit donuts or exit figure eights. Do a little manji action, so stay tuned for that. Breaking loose everywhere. Don't laugh, because I don't have an air compressor, so I had to use this electric shit. So yeah, in the rear tires I like to run 40 psi. In the fronts I like to run 36 in the fronts, 40 in the rear. Helps the rear tires spin a little easier and gives you a little more traction in the front. And these are at over 50, so we gotta let some air out. Another thing I like to do after getting tires is torquing my own wheels, because you never know if they were in a hurry and forgot or what. So torque your own wheels. so that's the end of this video. I just wanted to go grab some tires real quick and burn the rest of those off. Got some new Delantes on there, and we're ready for part 3 of the driving tutorial. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, go back in my previous videos and check them out. A lot of instructional tips in there. So yeah, make sure you check them out. Part 3 coming soon. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do exits, leaving donuts, and the figure eights. Both of what I taught you in part 1 and part 2. So stay tuned for part 3. Like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, all that stuff. Thanks for the support. I'll see y'all in the next one.